welcome to ACE 2025 here in Liège, and I'm delighted to be joined by Jordie from Hurricane Commerce. Thank you so much for being here, Jordie. Tell us, what's the key takeaway that you want people to take away from being here with Hurricane?
Well, all the forwarders here, looking at the compliance side of the business, a lot of things have been changing, are going to change, not just because of Trump, but regulations are changing really, really fast. So I think it's good that the e-commerce providers, logistics service providers, and the airlines, that they gather together here in Liège, I think.
And you spoke about regulations evolving. Tell us, how do you see technology enabling smoother and faster customs clearance over the next 12 months?
Well, you can't do everything manually anymore, right? So there's so many lines, also here in Liège, but Amsterdam, Budapest, but also globally. So many B2C and C2C e-commerce shipments coming in, you can't do that manually. So technology needs to be part of your structure.
And why Liège? Why now? Why is it important for Hurricane Commerce to be here for OPENeX?
Well, because a lot of e-commerce comes in from China or from Asia to here. So that's here it's cleared, in Amsterdam it's cleared, in Budapest it's cleared. So that's why it's good that everybody's here in Liège.
And where does the NeX ecosystem add the most value for your team and your customers?
Well, they're all here, right? So the retailers, they're connected to the forwarders and the consolidators, to the customs brokers. So it's good that everybody's here in Liège because they all have the same problem. That's data, data, data.
And what's Hurricane's core role in helping retailers avoid delays and fines?
To be honest with you, now it's really easy with Trump. It's HS classification and duty and tax calculation. That's it. We've got denied parties, prohibited, restricted. But bottom line, if you don't have the right data, you can't ship, you can't be compliant. Not making people scared, but if you want to be compliant, you have to manage your global data.
And what's been your highlight of the event so far, Jordie?
I think the breakout sessions and also the one-on-one networking with all the people here involved, that's really, really helpful.
Excellent. Yeah. Well, it's great to see you again. Thank you for joining us.
You're welcome.